This Leisure dual fuel range cooker is perfect if you love to host dinner parties. With plenty of cooking space for every course and easy cleaning, spend less time cooking and cleaning and more time entertaining your guests. The 3 ovens and separate grill offer a range of functions including slow cooking, static cooking and fan cooking, providing flexible, convenient cooking as you save time by heating a variety of different dishes simultaneously. Catalytic liners are specially coated panels located on the side walls of the oven. Fat, dirt and grime are burnt off at high temperatures, eliminating the need for any scrubbing, bringing you an easy-to-clean interior to help maintain a hygienic oven. The glass top lid protects the wall behind the cooker, removing the need for any additional splashback. Stylish yet practical, it's easier to keep your cooking area clean. For hassle-free cooking, this Leisure dual fuel range cooker is the perfect choice, giving you plenty of room to cook large family meals in a stylish and attractive design that looks great in the kitchen.